Y'all, we cooking 4 packs of Southern Boyz Jambalaya, but we making dirty rice today. Brown 2 pounds of ground meat. Hit it with that Southern Boyz seasoning. Add 2 cups of that Holy Trinity. All right, now we got that ground meat brown down like that. We're gonna get it out of that pot. Don't worry, it's gonna go right back in here. Now we're cooking 4 packs today, so we're gonna hit this bowl with 4 packs of the jambalaya mix like this. Get them 4 packs in there. And then we're gonna take a marker, we'll level it out. We're gonna take us some marker, we're gonna put on that rice line right there. Now we know that 2 of these equal 1. So 2 to 1. So we're gonna put 2 water. So we're gonna move this here. All right, so we got 2 of these of water to put in. So fill that up with water. 1, put it in the pot. 2. Now we want to bring that to a boil. Once that water comes to a rolling ball, you're going to add that Southern Boyz Jambalaya mix in there. Get it all stirred in there good. You're going to shut that fire down. Give it some cover. All right, y'all, look at this here. Woo! Look at that Southern Boyz Jambalaya mix right there. Look at that. Oh, man, looking so good. Now it's time to add that ground meat to it to make our dirty rice, y'all. You hit that ground meat back in there. Get that all mixed in. Oh, yeah, look at that dirty rice, y'all. Oh, looking good, looking good, looking good. Woo, we're gonna let it for 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we're gonna be ready to eat. All right, y'all, Southern Boyz Outdoors Jambalaya mix cooked into a dirty rice with some black-eyed peas and bunny bread, y'all. It just don't get no better than that right there, guys.